This is definitely not the fourth time I've tried recording this video already. The first time my phone camera got too hot and the torch turned off. The second time my dog barked in the background. The third time I dropped the car on the floor. And the fourth time right now. So yeah, today we'll be taking a close look at the factory custom of the Rev & Go racing tractor and of course the official release from 2021. So without further ado, let's take a closer look at the official release from Thailand in 2021. So yeah, this was seen in Cars 3 during the Florida 500 at Cruz Ramirez's Daydream. We can see he is based on the M-Fast Fong Piston Cup racer for Rev & Go, which is of course this one right here. So yeah, here is the diecast. This is the expression. It looks pretty cool, very nice smiling expression. We can see of course the engine on the top, the stack as well. We can see Rev & Go with the arrows as well, very nice. We got the side with the engine, the light year tyres. Like all the other tractors I've taken a close look at, they are pretty much the same apart from the Piston Cup decals. Got the expression. 73 on the top, as we can see there, 73 in the white and of course the yellow as well. The rookie racing stripes on the back are accurate compared to the diecast. This is where I got to before my phone got too hot, so I'm already further in this review. Here is the side, very nice. I believe there is a variant of M-Fast Fong, I'm not 100% sure, on the 5-pack with Maddie McGee and of course Bubba Wheelhouse that was released in 2022. We have the base here, which looks pretty cool, with the udder. Now comparing it to the Chinese factory custom, which was revealed to us and released to us, or fake revealed to us I guess, around October, November time in 2023. This view is going up in February, I believe the 16th or 17th of 2024. Pretty nice. Of course the expression is completely different compared to the diecast. The official, as we can see, the mouth is closed on the fake compared to the open. Very nice. The expression is different as well. It's got no plastic eyepiece or the eye plate, you know what I mean. Thailand collectors. Got the side. The light year tyres or the light year rims on the tractor are completely different, not completely filled in. Of course the yellow is not present on the factory custom. On the back, I believe the rookie racing stripes are a slightly different yellow. They're more orange, as you can clearly see. Sometimes you can't see the differences, but this one you can. Nice on the top. The pattern is more vibrant on the Chinese one compared to the Thailand one. Wow, I've got to go with that one for that. And of course here is the base, nothing to show because it is a factory custom. Don't forget to check out my previous review, which was yesterday on the Viewsy racing tractor, and my other reviews as well. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to leave a like, comment, subscribe. If you want to contact me about reviews or anything in the future, then check out my Instagram account at Diecast UK. And until the very next video, peace everybody, and don't forget to subscribe.